stop for a second.
It definitely seems louder in the freezer compartment, which is where we heard it before. When we took these drawers out, we heard it in the back center. But when Landers replaced the stuff, it was replaced with new equipment, I was informed, up in here. Now, so as soon as I opened that door, it stopped. Maybe there's a sensor switch related to that tells it to stop. But we have, wife confirmed, we have opened the door before, and it doesn't always consistently stop. Now, if I close it, it whirls up again.
This is the most that it's done when I've opened the door.